Now, let's leave too much talk and go practicing. Open a browser and tap Tinkercad. Uh, Click on the first link here. Well, uh, don't worry, I will put the link on the descriptions of the video. Once you are on the platform, you need to create an account. So click on Sign Up. Create a personal account. Register with an email. Well, a form appears here. Please fill it up, and continue creating your account. Uh, I will stop here because I have already created my account, but you need to go until the creation of your account. Very good. You are on the platform. Before I describe to you the platform, I need to show you quickly something. Click on circuits, choose a battery, uh, rotate it with the button on the top menu here, rotate. Okay, very good. Let's add an LED on the circuit. Connect the short leg of the LED to the GND, negative path, and the long leg of the LED to positive. Change the color of the LED. Wait, uh, the negative one is black. Click on Start Simulation. Well, uh, let me zoom. Let me zoom with my mouse wheel. As you can see, the LED is turned on, but there is something more dangerous here. There is a warning in the platform. This is why it is also uh, important to use a platform simulation to see the dangers. Yeah, we see that there is a warning on the circuit. Why? It is probably because we didn't use a resistor to protect or to limit the current on our LED. So to correct this stop simulation, okay, we delete this line with jumper wires, please. Add a resistor, okay, and then okay, change the color to white. Start again, simulation. Very good. The warning disappeared. So, to come up or to summarize, you have to keep in mind that if you want to avoid damaging your hardware or your components or your sensors, you need sometimes to add many resistors on your project. It will avail you it will avail you to lose time and will allow you to save money. So stop simulation. If you want to go back on the home page, please, on the top left corner, click on the Tinkercad logo. Well, this is the platform of the Tinkercad, and as you can see, the project that we have, the small project that we have built is top is registered here. Okay, but I will let me explain you how the platform look like. At the top you have at home. You can see many things that you have done before. Uh, the 3D design here is a drone, your circuits and a code blocks. You can also join a class. You can join a class, or you can also you can also transfer a design that you built. You can also design circuits. This is what we have done previously. You can create your own collection. Okay, you can follow tutorials here, or you can enroll for a challenges for challenges. So in this tutorial, we'll focus on designs. Well, on the top, on the top right of the corner, on the top right corner, click on Create. When you create on this button, you see three options: 3D design, circuits, and code blocks. Click on circuits, and the workspace open. This is where you're gonna build your basic, beginner, intermediate, and advanced projects. But before doing anything, let me show you something more again. Uh, on the top right corner, click on components. You have many options here. Click on Arduino, and you have many projects that are already built in the platforms. Okay, come up again. Uh, all uh, uh, Select an Arduino, put it on the workspace, drag and drop. Yes, this is very well, drag and drop. Click on Start Simulation. Very good. Let me zoom it with my mouse wheel. Well, there is an LED blinking here on the Arduino. Uh, this is mean that Arduino has an LED already incorporated in the board. This allows us to make quick tests before doing any or building any project to test if the Arduino still working. Stop simulation. Let's try something more. Okay. Uh, okay, leave this. Okay. Now we're gonna make something very easy. Click on Arduino. Choose a project which consists of blink an LED. Put it on the drag and drop and put it on the workspace. Well, to simulate your project, again, don't forget, click on Start Simulation. Very good. And the LED is blinking, as you can see. To stop the simulation, click on Stop Simulation. Well, let me describe you a little bit more the LED. The LED has two like the short leg, which is the cathode of the negative leg, and the long leg, which is the anode of the positive leg. You can change the color of jumper wires here. Wait. You can also change the resistor. For example, I can say I want to 1,000 uh 1,000 ohm. Okay, so 1,000 kilo ohm. As well as you can see, the color of the printed on the resistor have changed. Let's try again something. Put 2 enter the color change. 4 uh 4 enter at 5, for example. Let's say 47. The color has changed. Very good. So you can change the color of your resistor. Okay, very good. Let's delete this and try something more smarter. Okay, okay, delete this and delete this. And we're going to fade an LED. So on the list here, choose fade LED. Fading an LED is a project which is widely used for brightness in many projects. We can use it to control brightness in the room, and control also brightness dimmer on your home. Okay, start. Click on start simulation. The fading LEDs look like so blink an LED, but not exactly. And as you can see, when you simulate the project, the LED turn off progressively, but not totally. It doesn't. It doesn't on, turn off. Sorry, totally. But this is a fading an LED. Stop simulation and try something more. Okay. What we're gonna do right now is how to see how to use a push button. Search for search button. Yes. Drag and drop it. Start simulation. Let's press. Yes, let's press the button, the push button. Wait, let me zoom with my mouse wheel. Release it. Zoom again. Wait. Press press the push button. As well as press the push button, the LED of the Arduino is turned on. And when I release the push button, the LED turns off. Again, press the push button, the LED turns off. Turn on, sorry. And release it, the LED turn on. Turn off, sorry. Let me come again. Press the push button, the LED turn on. And release the push button, the LED turn off. Okay, stop the simulation. Let's try something more again. Debounce. Debounce is how to use again a push button that's opposite to the previous one. We don't need to press long or for many times the push button. Click on start simulation. Okay, right. The LED of the Arduino is turned on. When I click on the push button, the LED turn off. Click again on the push button, the LED turn on. Click on the push button, the LED turn off. Very good. Let's add something more on the push button circuit. On the push button circuit, uh, on add a resist an LED on the circuit. Drag and drop. Uh, uh, let's add a resistor for best common practice. Okay. Connect it here. This is the TND, so we need to use the black color and connect the long leg of the LED to a pin of fairing. Okay, change the color again. Click on start simulation. When the LED is turned on, click on the push button. The LED turn off. Click turn on. Click turn off. So you can play with that to say how the circuits work. So stop simulation. Uh, if you want to see how the circuits or how the projects work, click on code. And here you have a text, a blocks. Click on blocks. Continue. Well, on the here is a code blocks. It is a no code. You don't need to know uh, any programming languages, any programming language um, before starting building with no code, with code blocks. You can also see both the code block and the program. Okay, or you can just only see the code if you want. Here, for those who have an intermediate level or an advanced, they can just use the code. Okay, let's delete this. Yes, delete this. I'm sorry. delay, delay. Mm, let's try something more, please. Okay. How to print? Yes, how to print on a screen. Uh, LCD, drag and drop, and click on Start Simulation. Well, very good. There is a sentence printed on the LED or on the screen. It is written "Hello World," and we can see also a timer here. To see what is happening on your circuit, please stop simulation at first. Code and uh, here click on a blocking test. Yes, here the hello world printed on the screen is written here. If you want to see what what could happen if you change, please you can write something like good morning, and start a simulation. Well, good morning is printed in on the screen as you can see here. You can also see more things. When you print good morning here, the code is automatically generated on the text here. But you can also just modify the code for do more little more keywords. So right here, uh, I love, for example, I love you, I love you, and so simulation. Well, as you can see, I love you is written on the LCD on the screen. Very good. Stop simulation. Let's try something more. Uh, how to measure soil moisture. Okay. Uh, let's delete this project. Uh, so okay, very good. Go for moisture. Okay, moisture. Uh, uh, moisture. Moisture sensor. Moisture project includes a moisture sensor. This allows us to measure soil moisture. It is widely in research field to measure dryness of the soil, the dryness of the soil. So start simulation. Click here. When the LED is red, this means that the soil is so much dry. But when you are on the blue LED, you can see that the soil is is wet. We can see it's wet. On green, the soil, the dryness of the soil is a little bit normal. Okay, very good. Stop simulation. Let's this project. Let's go for another one. Activity. Activity. I mean, uh, activity is a project used for uh, advertisements, displays. It is also used on Christmas Day for holidays and also for parties. Well, this is at all. As you can see, there are many LED on the hardware, and we have many colors and animations here. Stop simulation. Uh, let's try some things. Mm, when we can choose here? Ah, voltmeter. Voltmeter, in simple words, it is a project used to measure electrical signals. Okay, start simulation. As you can see, the voltage is printed on a screen, and also the current. Stop simulation. Choose again. Infrared receiver. Wait, infrared receiver is a big project, and uh, it is used in many fields like hospital appliance, hospital appliance, and also it is used to control wireless devices. Start simulation. Click on any button you want. Okay, very good. Stop simulation. Ah, sorry, I forgot to tell you that you can change the name of your circuit. So on the top left corner, click on and you can write some things that uh, first basic simulation. Enter. To go back on the home page, don't forget on the top left corner, you can click on the Tinkercad logo. Click on. Yes, you come back on the platform. Uh, Here, your circuit is saved here. You can delete the circuit, add to your collection, view history of your circuit. You can also duplicate the circuit or click on properties. This allows you to change the name of the circuit to make a small description and also add a tag. So concern when I think this is all for how to use project already available on the platforms. Now we're going to build ours step by step. We're going to start with the basic ones and show you how to use code blocks.